Tesla, last time I mentioned we have a very weak signal, but it's not really ready to buy. So what is going on now? So you can see, by the way, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. This video is only for education purpose only. We don't recommend you to do any trade. So now we look at Tesla daily chart. Basically, you can see this pattern. We have this purple line. Please mark it down the price because some of you you don't have the indicator. You need to know this price for 424.5. This level, it better to stay above this. Okay, the stock better to stay above this support. If they drop below, they will go to the next support level. It's possible to go to 400 this level. Okay, so right now what is going on? Last time I mentioned we did go above the red, but we're still under the blue, and then the money is not yet catching. We're still under zero, right? So we don't have a strong buy signal yet. And right now it's still the same because we look at YM chippers first, they're still going downward, and we don't have a candle going above it. Okay, so it means the institution holding is not really increasing. Number one. Number two, YM big buy, they tell you what is the fund doing, the big volume trader. So look at the big volume trader. We're still under zero. It means this is still weak. Okay, although it's still going upward, but it is still weak. When we buy the stock, okay, not when we buy the stock, when there's a signal to buy, by the way, this is not our recommendation. When we have a signal to buy, I want you to buy with a strong proof. So when we catch something like a bigger, bigger bull market like this. I want you to catch something like this. I don't want you to buy because there's one signal, there's two signal. I want bingo, 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 bingo. So this is the thing I want you to understand. When you learn from other strategy, it's the same thing. If you see when you learn more, you will see more indicator. My indicator is more simple. They tell you up, down already here. This moment, we don't have an up, right? So I prefer right now, since I invent this indicator called YM up, down, I put all the formula in. So basically, they pop up a up. So you, I prefer myself, I mean myself, I don't mean you, to buy when there's an up minimum. And then they go above the red, and then I look at the money, YM cheapest and YM big buy. YM cheapest, the minimum go above this purple line, and YM big buy, they go above zero. Then I can buy safely. You understand? Although I have the indicator, but I don't want to do a very short trade. Okay, I want to stay very stably. Although this one, you will see here, is up and they have another down. So you just sell, you make profit, it's fine, right? Here is around this price is around 400, and this price when you want to sell is 487. So it's not too bad. You just take some small profit, but you're still taking profit, right? Also, like here, we have a bigger profit like this up and you sell here. If you choose a longer time frame, like weekly chart, even better. So for example, here, 140 here, you sell at 449. How about that? Is it cool? So here, by the way, we are halfway, so you don't use, so this one, you, you don't use this as a down. So we are on the halfway, like we are not buying here, right? If you miss this one, you have to wait for the next up. So right now we don't have it yet. If yes, you buy it. But by the way, this is not a recommendation, okay? And this is we don't recommend you to do any trade. But I want to say, if you look at the longer time frame, you have a better chance for even for monthly chart. Okay, even this one, my indicator, this up down, people ask me, can I just look at this single indicator to do buy and sell? The answer is yes, but I still want you to learn my indicator like YM cheapest, YM chip entry, because these are very powerful indicator to tell you, to give you more confidence how to buy. Like here, I love to buy when there is a YM chips entry because I know where institution exactly they're buying, and you can combine with the up signal and you buy more here, because this is an absolutely low point. Okay, so this is the update today, and I hope you like this video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. If you want me to analyze any stock, feel free to send me a message. And lately, I received one message, which is a very, very good suggestion. So he suggests me to look for some stock under $25 for long term. So I will have a look for this. So so see you next video, and let's see if I can find you something very, very nice stock to analyze you here. See you next time. Bye bye. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Bye.